Audio Jungle.
The Porsche Taycan is built in the factory of the future. Porsche AG is well on its way to eliminating that specious argument with its brand new Taycan production facility here in the very heart of Porsche country. With a projected annual output capability of 20,000 vehicles, the facility is using electricity from renewable sources and biogas to generate heat. In addition, the new production buildings are designed to be extremely energy efficient. Porsche has committed to invest more than $8.75 billion in electromobility and spent $1.1 billion in the new Taycan production facilities alone, $1.46 billion if you include the new body shop, which will also be used for the current generation of the Porsche 911. Porsche decided the place where it all began for the company was the exact place where its ambitious plans for electromobility, a so-called new era for Porsche, should start. In addition, building the Taycan in the same place where all the company's sports cars are produced underscores the Taycan's sports car aspirations. Once in full production mode, some 1,500 workers are expected to be involved in the manufacturing process. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment to tell me how you found the car.